Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not really wearing any foundation here because my nose, as you can see, has been pierced and I'm not wanting any product around it so that it can heal properly. And today I'm going to be telling you guys my experience step by step through what happened in the piercing and about the aftercare. Sorry if the lighting fluctuates a bit throughout this video. The clouds can't make up their mind, so yeah. So basically when I went into the piercing place, they made me fill out the form like they usually do, what you want pierced, any allergies, any skin conditions, have you eaten in the past 4 hours, that kind of thing. And then they review it, and if you're eligible, they will take you into the piercing room. So then what happened next was she sat me down and she told me, I'm going to put this up your nose, don't breathe, or at least try not to, because it will really stink if you do. She got this wipe and it did smell awful. I didn't breathe in, but you could smell it when it was like here from my face. So yeah, she put that in and wiped it along my septum pieces where it was going to be pierced. And then after she did that, she got the clamps out, and I'm not gonna lie, the clamps were the most painful part of the actual piercing, and this is coming from someone who has an extremely low pain tolerance, especially around their nose, and has a skin disorder actually inside her nose. So yeah, if I could do it, you can probably do it, because yeah. So basically she got the clamps and put them up, and it was ripping up my skin because my skin tends to fall off in my nose. That's like part of my problem. But yeah, it went in and then it clamped down on around where it was going to be pierced, and then the clamps pulled out my nose like that. That looks funny as hell. But yeah, the clamps also extended my nose so that she could see what she was doing. I had to tilt my head back, and the piercing part, she got her needle and I had my head laid back like this so that she could see what she was doing. The clamps were in. I closed my eyes like she told me to. She told me to breathe in, and then the piercing went through, and it went through really fast and really clean, and then I breathed out. And it was just sat there like this big needle thing through my nose, and I still hadn't opened my eyes because I could tell they were starting to water, and my eyes water really, really bad. Then she pushed it through and the jewelry went in, pushed it through again, took it out, the jewelry went around, and then she just tightened the balls on, which was like maybe a 2 or 3 on the pain scale, and the clamps were like an 8. So that's saying something. And then yeah, she took it out, I sat up, and suddenly all the water came out, and it was ridiculous. I couldn't see because of how teary my eyes were, so we had to clean that up. She gave me an aftercare form, and basically what you do is you're not allowed to twist it or turn it, try not to bash it, and clean it once every single day with salt and hot water, and you just get a Q-tip, shove it up your nose, and yeah, I will show you in a clip at the end, but for now. But yeah, I will show you guys the aftercare in a different video. I'll link it in the cards above when it's out, because I want to go more in depth on that one. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, leave a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos every Friday or Saturday. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really great day and stay spooky.